Hello, my name is Neza. I'm 11 years old, and today I will show you how to animate a bear in Scratch. First, if you want to do this, just go to your web browser and search Scratch, and it will show you. Click the first link. So first, let me fix up my mouse. Thank you. So now let's get the bear itself, to animate it. So you go press that button that I just pressed. Then you press bear. You look for bear dash walking. So you click it. Then you delete this sprite one. Delete it. And then now we want to choose a backdrop, which is a background. We don't need to just be a white place. So let's look for a backdrop. Let's try like a forest. Let's see. Outdoors. Let's see here. Forest. Perfect. Let's make the bear slightly smaller. Let's do 70. Yeah, that's too small. 70 is smaller than the grass. Let's do 90. Okay. Now next, let's make it animate. So first we need to, when the right arrow key is pressed, so when you press, no, let's do when the D key. If you use PC, you can see the D key when you're like playing Roblox or something. You press the D key to turn right. So when D key is pressed, let's do motion. Yes, so we need it to repeat. So let's go for the repeat block. So we do the repeat block, then we make it move 10 steps. So once it moves 10 steps, we want it to change costumes. Now costumes is like the animation. So if you want something to animate, you need to like move like images. So this image, and this image, this image, this image. So now let me show you the bears images. So you can see here's the first image, and you can even change the color of things. So let's just make this leg. Wait, can I move it? Can I enlarge it? I can enlarge it. I didn't know that. Okay, so let's make this bear's leg. Let's make it black. No, not black. Let's make it purple, I guess. Yeah, purple. You can make anything purple. His head, his nose, his eyes, his ears, tail, leg. Yeah, anything. But let's not do that. So now you've reached the costumes. This mouse, bro. So I just have to use a touchpad for a little. So now let's so you've seen that the next costume comes. So now, I don't know why it's not working. Yeah, now it's working. See how fast it's moving? It's moving way too fast. So we need to add a weight block. We need to add a weight block. So now a weight block is like it waits a certain amount of seconds for it to do something. So let's just make it wait 9 seconds. 0.9 seconds. Right before 1 second. No, it's too slow. Too slow. No, it actually looks like images. We don't want that. We want it to like move. 0.005. You know, that's like super fast. But I think that's okay. But it's working a bit too fast. Let's reduce the zeros. Let's make it that 0.005. Let's reduce again. 0.05. Yeah, perfect. So 0.05 seconds. but now you want it to move forward less. Let's do 5, yeah. So basically it moves 10 steps 5 times. Let's make it step like that, yeah. So now we have made it turn right. Now we want to make it turn left. So first, let's this mouse do. So now it has gone off. Okay. So now we want it to turn left. Control. So now we go to events. Now we make it the A key. The A key. So now when the A key is pressed, now to make it super easy, just duplicate everything. But we need to add one more thing on both blocks. This mouse, bro. Okay, so now Roblox game, it's called Driving Empire Car Racing. So as you can see here, it's about driving a car and earning money. When you drive, you earn money. As you can see here, driving equals money. So you go to the dealership and buy a car. You go and step on that green thing. So you go buy a car. Then once you buy a car, you can spawn it. And you can spawn any car that you own. So after you spawn a car, you can drive, and if you want to customize your car or make it look better or make it faster, you come here on this paintbrush, click it, then it takes you to now where you can customize your car. So as you can see here, I can do appearance, nitro effect, all that. I can add a nitrous effect on my car. What should we do? I don't have the money to buy these two, but I'm planning to buy this one. Jet flame, it looks nice. You can also change your underglow. As you can see, there's a light under my car. You can put one color. You can put X glow. These ones need Robux. Front, back, yeah, you can do all that. And then after that, you can put paint. You can change the color of your car. So you can make it bronze, red, anything. And you can now also upgrade the car. So you can make the car faster. By here, engine. You can make it faster, and then there's also these. You can replace the parts. You can see I have parts here. You can replace the parts. You can change the suspension, camber, which is like when the tires tilt, height, which is how high the car goes. You can see it's going slightly higher. Let's leave it the way it was. Then there's also offset, which is like how much it goes out, the wheel goes out of the car. Let's just put it back the way it was. Then there's nitros, like a boost. I only have one. There's tires, which makes you drive better. There's brakes. I haven't bought any. Let me just buy like 2. You can do that. Then add calipers to make your braking better. There's aspiration, turbos. You see here I have quad turbos. Yeah, quad turbos. I think I should install this one because it looks like it's faster. So yeah, you go back. You can swap your vehicles. You can see all the vehicles that I have. This one. But this one's electric. You see, it's Audi, it's licensed. Let's do another Lamborghini. And then there's also NASCARs, Chevrolet, Porsche. This one was a limited car. There we go. You want it to turn left, but then now if you make it to A, it just continues going right. So I want it to change the direction. So point in direction minus 90. But look, it will go upside down. You see, it just goes upside down. And so we need it to do that. You just go to direction and then press the middle one. So it will make it better. So point in direction minus 90. Then now we want the other one. When you press D, it now points to the direction you want it to. So D, A, D, A, D, A, D, A. You can see it's going right, then left, then right, then left. Okay. So now we are done with the left. Now let's make it jump. So when space key is pressed, the space key, we want to make it jump. So we just need it to go to motion, then the Y axis. So change Y by 10. So the Y axis is from down to up. Like here is minus what? Minus 105, minus 150. Yeah, minus 150. So change Y by, let's do 30, 300. That's a bit too much here. It's flying into space. So let's do 30. Then now we want it to go back down. It can't just stay up. So now we want it to go back down. So we want to change the Y again by 30. But now minus 30. I pressed backspace by mistake. So minus 30. So it will just go up, down. But now you see it's too fast. There's no weight block. So it's too fast for your eyes to see. So you go to control, then do weight. Let's do 0.05 seconds. That's jumping way too fast. Let's do 1 second. It's just floating, going back down. But I think we should make it go higher. 50, then minus 50. So maybe like that. It's much better. Yeah, perfect. So it can turn right, then turn left, turn right, turn left, turn right, turn left, then jump, 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 turn left, turn right, goes right, turn left, jump, 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 and jump. So now we are done animating the bear. That's how you animate a bear in Scratch.